Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 104, Takeaway. This is another lateral thinking puzzle, and thank you for the great feedback you've been giving me. Let's see how you go with this one. It's very, very interesting. Name something in real life that increases in size when you keep taking away from it. A clue will be given on the next slide. So in about 2 minutes' time, I will definitely give you a clue if you need it. In the meantime, good luck if you solve it. Please persist with it, because the clue will happen in about 2 minutes. Okay, I wonder how you went with that one. Congratulations if you've solved it. If you need a little bit more help, here is the clue that I promised. Name something in real life that increases in size when you keep taking away from it. And the clue is Earth. The answer is on the next slide. So I hope that clue helps you, and in about 1 minute's time, I will give you the answer, so please persist with it, because this clue just might help you solve it. Okay, I wonder if you solved that one with that clue. If not, good work for trying. Here is the answer. Name something in real life that increases in size when you keep taking away from it. Answer, a hole in the ground. How interesting is that? So you keep taking away soil or earth from the hole, and the more you do that, the more it increases in size. I hope you enjoyed that one. If you would like to subscribe to my channel or access another puzzle, you can do so on the next slide, and we'll go there right now.